Are you a Mac user and want to hide your private files? You are in the right place. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to hide folders on macOS without using any additional app. Let's get started. I've prepared 3 folders, each containing several files. Each folder will be hidden using a different method. Alright, let's start with the first method. For the first method, we will hide a folder using terminal. Right now, terminal is still in the root directory. Since the folder are located in the documents folder, we first need to move there. Type this command, cd space documents. Okay, now we are inside the documents folder. To make sure we are in the correct directory, type ls. The ls command lists all files and folders. You can see folders named method 1, method 2, and method 3 here. Now, type this command to hide a folder. You don't need to type the folder path manually. Just drag the folder into terminal like this. Then press enter. As you can see, folder method 1 is no longer visible. Let's type ls again. Oops, it turns out folder method 1 is still visible when using the ls command. So we can conclude that this first method is not very secure for hiding files. Let's move on to the second method. The second method is renaming the folder by adding a dot in the beginning. The idea is to make the folder appear as a system file, which macOS hides by default. Let's try doing this directly in Finder by renaming the folder and adding a dot in front. Oh, it doesn't work. So let's try using terminal instead. Type this command. Alright, it worked. Folder method 2 is now hidden from Finder. Let's check again using the ls command. Nice, it doesn't show up anymore. Does that mean it's secure? Not necessarily. What if we use this command? Oh wow, folder method 2 is visible again. And the bad news is that both hidden folders can also be revealed when a Mac user presses the shortcut. Command shift dot. The shortcut shows hidden files. You can see that the faded or blurred appearance indicate the folder has the hidden attribute. To hide them again, simply press the shortcut once more. So the conclusion is, the second method is still not secure enough. Let's move on to the third method. From the third method, we will use this utility. Open Launchpad, then type this utility in the search bar. Once it opens, click File, then New Image, and choose Image from folder. Select the folder you want to hide. In the Save As field, you can rename it something less suspicious. For example, let's name it File System. Choose the storage location as well. For encryption, you can choose either one 28-bit or two 56-bit encryption. Next, enter a password and verify it, then click Choose. Make sure you remember this password. If you forget it, it cannot be recovered, which means you will lose access to the files permanently. Once everything is set, click Save. The time required to create the MG file depends on the size of the encrypted folder. When it finishes, click Done. Now go back to the Documents folder. You will see a file with a DMG extension. Double-click it to open. You will be prompted to enter a password. Let's try entering the wrong password. Whoa, an error warning appears. Now enter the correct password, and the DMG file is decrypted, allowing you to access the files. When you are done, simply eject the disk image. This third method is very secure. You can even delete the original folder if you no longer need it. From everything we've covered, the choice is yours, whether you want to use method 1, method 2, or method 3. Hope this tutorial is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.